Hello everyone, praise the Lord. Sometimes we come across the question that when the God created us and when did the morality came upon us? It was before the fall or after the fall? And if the God imprinted morality before the fall, did it fail on the man's part? And the answer is yes. The morality came upon us before the fall, at the very moment when we were created in the God's image and the likeness. God imprinted morality before the fall, and definitely it fell on man's part, because when the God created us, He gave us the capability of choosing the right and wrong. He gave us the capability of making moral and ethical choices. That's what we got when we were created in the God's image and likeness, of choosing the right or wrong, of making the decisions. Genesis 2:16 and 17 says, "And the Lord commanded the man, you are free to eat from any tree in the garden, but you must not eat from the tree of the knowledge of the good and evil, for when you eat from the tree, you will certainly die." And when the God commanded Adam, already he had a choice to eat or not. He had the choice to make a decision to choose what is right, what is wrong. They had the understanding of taking the choice of their willing. Genesis 3:2 and 3 verses that the woman said to serpent, "We may eat from the tree in the garden." But God did say, "You must not eat from the tree that is in the middle of the garden. You must not touch it or you will die." This shows that they had the understanding of choosing right or wrong, and they had an understanding of morality and ethics. I hope this video will help you to understand that it is the morality came before the creation or after the creation. Have a blessed day. God bless you all.